All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you, this is a standard install. It's a 04 Ford Mustang convertible with the Mach system in it. And we wanted to just show you the level of detail that my guys go to when they're doing an install, regardless of the car, the age, the equipment, anything. So as you can see, so this is the stock harness in the vehicle, right? You can see it's taped. And so what we do is we try to mimic that. So this is an aftermarket harness. This is the radio part, and this is the adapter that allows us to connect it to the vehicle, right? So what I'd want you to notice is, so what we do is we solder and heat shrink every single connection. All the connections are soldered and heat shrink. Now, that definitely takes a little bit longer, but it's a much more solid connection. That connection is basically as good as if the wire had never been broken in the first place. We test tape all the wires and then organize it in a very neat way so that once it's plugged into the vehicle, I mean, it looks like it could have came with the vehicle, right? And so now, if you ever need to reverse the process, get rid of the radio, anything like that, you just literally come in, unplug it. You would take your original radio and plug it back in. So we're not cutting any of the wires, damaging the vehicle in any way. Again, our number one focus is always to retain the integrity of the vehicle, just to enhance it, right? And the nice thing about doing it that way is that we can stand behind our work for every single car. It doesn't matter if it's a simple dash cam install, a radio. We have the habit of doing everything at the highest level possible. So there's no gray area. It's always, we know that if you check any of our work, you'll see that it's done at a very high level. So even though nobody will ever see this, obviously, unless they remove the radio or try to service the vehicle, this is what you get, right? So soldered, heat shrunk, Tessa tape, organized in a very neat and factory looking way. So again, just it makes it super easy for service, right? So now if I have to pull the radio, instead of pulling out this crazy bundle of wires where there's just tape and stuff everywhere, if you pull this out and go, man, this is, you know, done really well. Obviously these three just plug into the radio. And then if you wanted to remove the entire thing, it's literally just, you know, 2 connections. And the car is 100% back to factory. So just again, want to show you the level of work even behind the scenes.